Pretty bird. You want to go back to the puddle? Come on. Let's go back to the puddle. Yeah, come on, let's play. There we go. So we had to let the phone cool down for a little while because the phone overheated. I don't know if we lost the first part of the video of Pretty Bird foraging. What are you doing? Are we playing, Pretty Bird? Come on, let's play. Play, play. What are you doing? She did not like that. I'm sorry, I won't splash again. I guess she's the only one who's allowed to splash. Y'all see that? How she put her head in like an S shape? She was telling me to knock it off. I'm sorry. Do you forgive Mama? Do you forgive Mama? Hey bird, do you forgive me? No? Oh, but the babies. Oh, but babies, I'm your mama. You're supposed to love me. Remember? Remember when you used to sleep in my armpit? Maybe that's why she doesn't like me. I'm just kidding. Pretty bird. What are you doing? Pretty bird, you getting the num-nums? Are you coming? What are you doing? Yay! Whee! She's like, Mom, you're not supposed to go that far away without me. Well, I didn't know. You were busy. You were busy. What are you doing? You gonna take a bath? Oh, pretty. Pretty bird, are you gonna take a bath? Are you in the tub yet? She's like, I'm busy. I'm eating and drinking, and I do not appreciate these interruptions. Watch, I'm gonna go drink some water. Yep, that's my pretty bird for you. Right there, she's in a giant puddle of water, but no, gotta get that clean water. That's her water. By the way, with these videos, if they don't have outros, it's because the phone overheats and it doesn't even give me the chance to turn off the video. So 99% of the time I end up losing the video. When that happens, I do try and pay attention to the heat of the phone as much as I can, which is why you see my finger appearing in front of the camera once in a while, on accident, like you just did. Sorry about that. Pretty bird, you're literally in a giant puddle. There's water all around you. You gonna take a bath? Come on. Come on. Go right there. Go get your water. Are you in the tub? There you go, yay! There you go. She wants to bathe in her little bowl. That's pretty bird logic right there. Yeah, you splashing? Come on. You wanna go splashing? Come on. Come right here. Come on. Go splashing. Yay, pretty bird. Are you splashing or what? Come on. I think she got freaked out because it actually was deep water. Well, deep-ish water. Deeper. Yeah, there you go. Good bird. Are you splashing? See, pretty bird's allowed to splash. I'm not. Really, really hoping I don't lose this one. Big bird! Alright guys, I'm going to stop the video right here.